oh, one more thing. Let's go back into this because there's one more parameter that we need to set. Right now, we don't have control over anything really, but we want control over it. We want to know how high this is. So typically, I'm going to say that a lot of pendants you'll see out there, there'll be a dimension from ceiling, and that's fine if that's how you want to do it. I actually would recommend, because the critical dimension is kind of where this is in relationship to the human body, I would go ahead and make the critical dimension that one. And so this dimension, we want to create a parameter. And we're going to call this height. Height. Right there. And again, this may be an instance moment, because if you wanted to kind of have them shift up and down, you'd want to be able to control this. So you say okay there. And then I would also suggest that you put in a default. So let's say that they're always going to be 6 feet. So we're really close. The only thing that we didn't get to work was this guy right here. This guy did not shift, so I'm going to move this guy up, and the way we're going to have this shift is that I'm going to have a line at the top of this. I think I can just lock it in. Okay. So that should have done it. Load that into the project. So basically what I'm going to expect you guys to do is create a pendant that has at least that kind of parameter, so you can control the height, and that should, so please do that. And then let's take a look at I'm going to now, let's see, now why did it not, whoa, okay, that is weird, weird, 6 feet, should have used this as the, So, I'm seeing all kinds of issues. I'm locking that in, and I'm going to say that I was wrong, and I'm going to dimension from the ceiling. No, lock it, and I'm going to give it the height dimension, and we're going to load that into the project. that is now 6 feet. I'm going to make it 7. And this kind of goes into and I'll make this 8. So that's why you would do an instance if you wanted to kind of give yourself that kind of variance. And so there you go. Now we've wrapped that one up. All right.